Hi, it's Charlotte Henry from the Mac Observer, and this is the brand new iPhone 12 Pro. We'll go through the unboxing process, but I thought it was worth starting by looking at the box itself. The 12 Pro's one is much smaller compared to the iPhone XR box. That's because there's no charging brick or headphones in there. People said it made this decision for environmental reasons to help reduce the amount of packaging and be able to transport more in one go. So yeah, here we go. Let's start by taking off the plastic wrapping. Right. Now what is in the box? Oh, for once an Apple box I can actually open. Here we go. There we have inside the lovely new iPhone 12 Pro. You can see, obviously the box that we've said is really thin. Literally there's almost no space left in there. Take out the phone very gently. Oh wow, it feels really nice in your hand. It feels you can feel the stainless steel around it. Give you a quick sneak peek at the screen. There we go. Set that to the side for one moment. So it's just literally the USB-C to lightning cable. Some what looks like to be some very small startup instructions, and that is really it. Yeah, so as I say, here's the cable. As we see, USB-C, lightning. Have a look in here. I assume it's just instructions. Let's take a look. So we have here tool if you need to change your SIM card. As I suspected, some small startup instructions, but most importantly of all, we have the classic Apple logo sticker. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel and enjoy unboxing your own new iPhone 12 if you're getting one.